Volume tells us how much space is inside a 3D shape. We measure volume using cubic units. 1 unit cube is 1 times 1 times 1, so it equals 1 cubic unit. For a rectangular prism, use the formula V equals L times W times H. Length times width tells you how many cubes fit on the bottom layer. Then multiply by height to count all the layers. Example 1. A rectangular prism has length 4, width 3, and height 5. Start with the formula. V equals L times W times H. Substitute the values. V equals 4 times 3 times 5. Now multiply step by step. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then 12 times 5 equals 60. The volume is 60 cubic units. Now for a cube. A cube is a rectangular prism where all sides are equal. Use V equals S times S times S. Example 2. Side length 6. V equals 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 equals 36, then 36 times 6 equals 216. The volume is 216 cubic units.